As a team lead, one of my things to share with my agents on how to throw an open house, and if I don't believe it, I didn't do it myself. So as you see, I'm sitting here, I'm prepping the bags, I'm getting ready for open house. And this is during the week, not the day before. So 50 to 200 flyers go out to the community. I like to put cutesy things in there that people can remember and more information in a fun way to hit each door. The other piece would be you go live. Go live before the event. Go live during the week to hype up the event to get people excited about the open house that is coming. Whether it's Facebook, IG, or TikTok, whichever one, somewhere you can create and keep that video so it goes and grows and grows. The other thing is to send everything out to your database, get in front of people, and if you have the time, you can do a postcard mailer for open house for that weekend, if you have the time. Sometimes that's not a luxury. Here I am, getting ready to walk through the community. Here's the flyer that went out to everybody. And last but not least, one of my most favorite things to do is to set up a cool presentation for when people come through. We've got donuts, they don't cost you anything. We've got juice. But if you want to know how to do open houses with the Pinder group, here we are.